Hello everyone, I'm Ava from Medic. Today I'd like to introduce this foldable bed. First, let's go through the unfolding steps. You just need to grip straps on both sides of the bed and pull outward. Then lift the headboard side upward to fully unfold it when it gets to the designated position. Now let me show you how it works. Next, let's cover how to adjust the armrests. Swivel them outward, adjust up or down as needed, and lock them firmly with the bayonet. The operation is really straightforward. Now, let's introduce its core functions. It has 3 key functional highlights. The backrest can be adjusted smoothly by hand. It is equipped with an IV stand holder. And all 4 casters are fitted with bricks for stable and secure use. Finally, let's go through the folding and storage steps. Put the red component with one hand while lifting with bed forward and upward with the other. Fold it closed with both hands. Then swivel the armrests inward for compact, space-saving storage. Now, let me show you how it's done. With that, you can see this foldable structure enables easy storage, small footprint, and flexible movement, greatly improving space utilization. That's a core intro. Any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you all.